Good morning students. In previous lecture beta we have started chapter 6 of civics, that is political parties, and in previous lecture we have done the meaning of political parties and the functions which are performed by the political parties. Then we have read about the components of the political parties also. So what is political party? Political party is a group of people who come together to contest elections and hold the power in the government after winning elections. Then we have read three components. First component was the leaders, second the active members, and the third was the workers. Then we have read all the functions which are done by the political parties. Among those functions, first of all we have done to contest election, which is very important function of the political party. Then we have done second function to frame policy and programs. Then third function we have done beta form the government and run the government. Then fourth, making laws, and fifth, role as opposition. Sixth, to shape public opinion in their favor, because public opinion is responsible for their victory, no? So they will always try to make public opinion in their favor. Then next we have read last one, that is access to government machinery and welfare schemes. All these functions we have read. Now today we are going to read about the necessity of the political parties. Why do we need political parties? Okay, but modern democracies cannot be imagined without political parties. Rather we can say democracy cannot exist without political party. So now we can understand the necessity of the political party by imagining a condition when there is no political party. So first of all, if you want to understand the necessity, the need of the political party, first of all imagine that there is no political party. Okay, all candidates in the election are standing independently. Suppose if you are standing in the election, then you are standing as an independent candidate. If I am standing in the election, I am also standing independent candidate. There is no political party. कोई कांग्रेस नहीं है, कोई बीजेपी नहीं है, कोई बीएसपी नहीं है, नो पार्टी. ठीक है, no regional party, no national party. Okay, so only all the people who want to stand in the election are standing independent candidate as independent candidate. ठीक है, so what will happen? First thing is, suppose कि every candidate in the election is standing as independent candidate, then what will happen beta? These candidates will not be able to make some big promise to the people of the country. They cannot announce any major policy change, है ना. कोई बहुत बड़ा डिसीजन लेना पूरी कंट्री के बारे में, तो अकेले मैं डिसाइड नहीं कर पाऊँगी, है ना. इतनी मुझ में क्या नहीं है, मैं इतनी ब्रेव नहीं हूँ, इतनी मुझ में हिम्मत नहीं है. ठीक है, सो ये बड़े बड़े जो पॉलिसी मेकिंग होती है, मेजर डिसीजंस होते हैं, वो कौन किसके बेसिस पे लेते हैं? पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज के. ठीक है, so first necessity is this only, if all the candidate are standing as independent candidate, then they cannot announce any good program, any big program. Major policy decisions cannot be taken by independent candidate. Second thing is, the government may be formed, okay, but its utility will remain ever uncertain. किसी भी टाइम जो गवर्नमेंट है, क्योंकि बहुत सारे इंडिपेंडेंट कैंडिडेट मिलके बना रहे हैं गवर्नमेंट, सो किसी भी टाइम क्या होगा? इट विल फेल डाउन. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज इट इलेक्टेड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स विल बी अकाउंटेबल टू देयर कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसीज, नॉट नो वन विल बी अकाउंटेबल टू द होल कंट्री. मैं रोहतक से खड़ी हुई इलेक्शन में, आई वन द इलेक्शन फ्रॉम रोहतक, सो आई विल बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर माई कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी. वट आई विल थिंक, आई हैव टू डू गुड वर्क्स फॉर माई रोहतक पीपल, है ना. आई विल नेवर थिंक एज एन इंडिपेंडेंट कैंडिडेट, आई विल नेवर थिंक आई हैव टू डू गुड वर्क फॉर द होल इंडिया, है ना. सो यानी कि जो ये पूरे कंट्री के लिए गुड वर्क करने की जो फीलिंग आती है, ये कब आती है? इफ़ पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज आर देयर. अदरवाइज क्या होगा? इंडिपेंडेंट कैंडिडेट्स विल थिंक ओनली अबाउट देयर कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी, नो वन विल थिंक अबाउट द होल नेशन. देन हाउ द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द नेशन विल हैपन? सीधी सी बात है ना बेटा. देन नेक्स्ट इज बेटा, नेक्स्ट इज द राइज ऑफ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी इज डायरेक्टली लिंक्ड टू द एमर्जेंस ऑफ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव डेमोक्रेसीज. You know there are two types of democracy: direct democracy and indirect democracy. Direct democracy is possible only in small countries, है ना, like Switzerland. These are not possible in big country like India, because we are talking about our political party system na. So it is not possible in India. India is having such a big population, big area, diversity. So direct democracy is not possible at all in India. So in other countries also, most of the countries are having representative type of democracy, yani indirect democracy, in which elections are happening, people are choosing their candidates, and those candidates are ruling on the country on behalf of the people, and they are making laws for the welfare of the people, those who have given vote to them. So in this type of representative democracy, अगर हम सोचें कि भी कोई पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ना हो तो इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल, ठीक है, बिकॉज सोसाइटीज़ आर बिग एंड कॉम्प्लेक्स, ठीक है. दे ऑल्सो नीड सम एजेंसीज टू गैदर डिफरेंट व्यूज़ ऑन वेरियस issues and to present these to the government. Individual candidate cannot do all these works. He cannot raise the issues of public welfare. He cannot gather different views under an umbrella. And now who is doing these big works? Only political party. So in present day there is trend of representative democracy, and for representative democracy beta, political parties are necessity. Without political parties, representative democracy is not possible, ठीक है. The next need of a political party is political parties inform the people about the working of the ruling party. There are two groups, we can say. One will rule on the country, ruling party, and other one who has lost the election will be called opposition party, है ना. सो वो भी तो एक तरह से पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज ही है ना. सो पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज विल टेल द वर्किंग ऑफ द रूलिंग पार्टी टू द पीपल. दे विल टेल अस what are the good works, good policies of the people, what are the failures of the ruling party, what are the success of the ruling party, okay, which law is made by the ruling party. ये सब चीज़ें हमें कौन बताते हैं? इंडिविजुअल कैंडिडेट नहीं बताते. कौन बताते हैं? Political parties. So that's why we need political party, okay. And who is trying to solve the problems of the people? Political parties, है ना. So for this purpose we need political party. And last one is beta कि political parties act as a link between government and the masses. Act as a link, yani what they will do, they are very close to the people, they will talk to the people, will have information of their problems, then they will give this information to the political party, and political party will try to solve the problems of the people. यानी कि जो political parties हैं, they are a link between the government and the people. गवर्नमेंट की क्या पॉलिसीज़ होंगी वो किसको बताएंगी? वो कॉमन पीपल को. कॉमन पीपल के क्या व्यूज़ हैं उस पॉलिसी पर, वो किसको बताएंगी? पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़. किसको बताएंगी? रूलिंग पार्टी को, ओके. सो इन दिस वे वी नीड पॉलिटिकल पार्टी. नाउ बेटा क्वेश्चन अराइजेज कि हाउ मैनी पार्टीज शुड वी हैव. इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर बेटा वी विल डू इन डिटेल. देर आर थ्री सिस्टम्स, देर आर थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज. फर्स्ट इज़ वन पार्टी सिस्टम, सेकेंड इज़ टू पार्टी सिस्टम और बाई पार्टी सिस्टम, एंड थर्ड इज़ मल्टी पार्टी सिस्टम. थोड़ा सा अभी शॉर्ट में बताती हूँ आपको. वन पार्टी मीन्स कि व्हेन देयर इज़ ओनली वन पार्टी in the country, and that party is arranging elections and standing candidates for the election. People are going and choosing the members of that single existing party. Like China is having only one party, that is Communist Party of China. Candidate from this party only are standing in the election, people are choosing them, okay, because in constitution of China only one party system is allowed, okay, no opposition, no other party is allowed. All decisions are taken by this one single existing party. Second type of system होता है बेटा आपका बाय पार्टी सिस्टम और टू पार्टी सिस्टम. बाय नेम यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड वेयर देयर आर टू पार्टीज, okay. So there is election competition between these two parties फर्स्ट टाइम क्या हुआ, फर्स्ट पार्टी ए पार्टी हैज़ वन द इलेक्शन, तो माइट बी नेक्स्ट टाइम बी पार्टी विल विन द इलेक्शन। यानी मेन जो पॉलिटिकल कंपटीशन है, इलेक्शन कंपटीशन है, विल बी बिटवीन द टू पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज। हो सकता है कि किसी कंट्री में और स्मॉल पार्टीज भी हों, बट दीज नेवर मैनेज टू विन द इलेक्शन, द नंबर ऑफ वोट्स विच दे आर गेटिंग इज़ वेरी लेस। ओके, और थर्ड है आपका मल्टी पार्टी सिस्टम। मल्टी पार्टी सिस्टम बाय नेम यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड इन विच देर आर मोर देन 2 parties, 3 parties, 4 parties, 5 parties, no limit. Okay, that is known as a multi-party system. So which country will adopt which type of party system depends upon the population of that country, area of that country, constitution of that country. Okay, कि what is the population, कि सपोज अगर पॉपुलेशन बहुत लार्ज है और वन पार्टी सिस्टम अडॉप्ट हो गया तो क्या होगा, democracy will not exist. For example, you know, China is the largest country for population, है ना, having largest population of the world, and it is having one party system because बेटा उनकी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में ये लिखा है कि there will be only one party. Okay, other parties are not allowed. Communist party system, communism में only one party rule is preferred. So according to their constitution, other party systems are not allowed. 2 party मल्टी पार्टी अलाउड ही नहीं है चाइना में। और इंडिया में क्या लिखा है, इन इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, इंडिया इज़ हैविंग सो बिग पॉपुलेशन, बिग एरिया, है ना, और इन आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इट इज़ क्लियरली रिटन कि वी विल फॉलो द डेमोक्रेसी, है ना, एंड वी विल फॉलो द मल्टी पार्टी सिस्टम। अगर सपोज़ कि यहाँ पर वन पार्टी सिस्टम हो जाए, 2 पार्टी सिस्टम हो जाए, तो क्या होगा, इट विल नॉट बी सक्सेसफुल बिकॉज इट इज़ हैविंग सच अ बिग पॉपुलेशन। डेमोक्रेसी के साथ पॉसिबल नहीं है ना, एंड सो लार्ज डाइवर्सिटी वी हैव, डिफरेंट रिलीजन पीपल, कास्ट पीपल आर देयर, सो सबको इक्वल रिप्रेजेंटेशन कैसे मिलेगा। हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में लिखा है कि एवरी पर्सन शुड have equal representation in the politics, every caste person, religion person should have equal representation in the government even. So how it is possible when there is multi party system? Okay, so how many parties should we have depends upon the size of the country, size of the population in the country, and the constitution of the country, what is written in the constitution, and last is type of the government, which type of the government they have decided to follow, communist party system or democracy, what they have adopted. Okay, so this was all about your political parties. Goodbye.